Get ready to boost your energy as we stretch and twist our way to a more toned waist, core, and more, all while entirely seated in a chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, release your clasp and place your hands together in prayer position. Continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue rotating from right to left, drawing opposite elbow to knee. Keeping your spine long, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at the top, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Preparing for a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release. Continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Adding on, release your clasp and place your hands together in prayer position. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, working through your obliques. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, re-lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward, keeping your core engaged, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, spine, abdomen, chest, and neck. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle seated twist variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Slowly unwind and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.